Hi, this is Teddy, your Google Workspace guy, and the question is this: how do I insert bullets or a numbered list in a Google document? I'm going to show you two ways you can do that in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because these videos are designed for you. So here's a Google Doc where I'm starting to write this information, and I want to share a list of foods that I enjoy. So I'm going to create a list. So I can create a list, and I can say peanuts, I can say bananas, I can say I want, I really like ice cream, I like craft beer. I could put in here that I like cake and cookies, and I like meatloaf, and I like sushi, S-U-S-H-I. So there's a list. But if you want to present that list in an easier way, then you would use either bullet points or numbered points. So watch this. I highlight all of these. And when I highlight them, I can go up here, and right here is bullet points. Boom. And I can actually hit the down arrow right here, and I can use a different bullet if I want. Again, I can hit the down arrow right here and go to checklist if I want to make a checklist. Go back and do that again, and I can make it go back and use, the arrows. You use all different types of, characters for my bullet listing. Now, if I want to, I can get rid of all that just by, see what I just did is click on the bullet list and it goes away. Click on it, it comes back. Click on it, it goes away. But maybe I want to use numbers. So I click on and put numbers. So there's 8 items that are in my list of foods that I enjoy. Now again, I can hit the down arrow right here, and I can use, if I use what's called Roman numerals instead of regular numbers. I can hit the down arrow right here, and I can use numbers that start with an O, 01, 02. Now, once I put a bullet mark there, I can go to Format, Bullets and Numbering, List Option. I can go to More Bullets. Now, with more bullets, I can say, maybe I want to search for something. Maybe I want to, it lets me draw something right here. I can draw, a big old X, and there's the infinity character. Look, watch this. I can go up here and I can draw, like that. And there's my options there. I can draw, let's get rid of that, and I can draw, like this, a triangle. And look, there's the triangle. So you can draw any kind of character you want over here, and it'll look for it over here. And if it finds it, then what you can do is click on that, and it puts it in there. And there's that character that I chose. By the way, bullet lists and numbered lists aren't just for the first level. You can actually, if I hit enter here, it's going to want to do another bullet item using whatever character I told it to use. But if I hit the tab key, it goes and it's going to do a sub bullet. So I can say, roasted, or I can say chocolate covered. And then, like for ice cream, I can hit enter there, hit my tab key, and I can say, I like cookie dough. How you ever spell cookie dough? And I can say I like, pecan ice cream. Again, you can, this is the sub bullets or secondary bullets. And again, if you edit these, when you edit these, you have the ability to change the different bullets you're using over here, and you have the ability to change the number icons you're doing here if you want. For a straight list, that special little format option works well. For a nested list, it doesn't work as well. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope these ideas are useful for you.